Hi everyone, welcome to Steudiora. Steudiora is a safe place for eudora or you to be creative together. So it is like a studio but digital because I do not have a money yet to build one. So in Steudiora, I am Eudora and I would like to guide you to visit it. Here we have Studiora's bag, and inside the bag we have a phone, laptop, plier, notebook, what is it? Pen, a Polaroid of me, and also ID card. But it is like it is a handmade, and all of this is handmade. The phone even is a handmade. I did it by myself. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so proud. Alright, so we also have this paper clips. Why? Just because, yeah. First thing first, in the home, you will see this. Welcome to Steudiora. I hope you feel welcome because we always welcome you. I always welcome you. And next, we got to know me. Hi guys, I'm Eudora, and this is not exactly how I look, but this is how I picture myself. I love wearing this I don't know what is it called, I forgot. So yeah, I decided to draw it here. Hello buddies, I'm Eudora, a 19 years old girl who loves doing videos and a little bit DIYs. I still do not know what should I write here. Please let me know what you want to see from my content. You can giving requests by commenting on this video or anywhere else, or if you want to collaborate, and I would love to collaborate with you guys. And if you want to partner with me, just click here. This will take you to my email, or this is my email. You can screenshot it if you want. So maybe someday we can work together. I cannot wait. Also, I am really a small content creator, but Alright, in the next one we have this. This is my phone and it has my social media. Not exactly my phone, but So if you want to connect with me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Thread, or even email, they are here. You can just click it and it will guide you to the platform that you want to see. If you want to see my TikTok, yeah, let's just go to each of it. This is my TikTok. I have 2 followers. Oh my god, hello. Wow. And here is my Instagram. Alright, please forgive my connection for being so slow. Oh, I got 8 followers. Hello 8 buddies. And yeah, this is my contents, pretty much the same in each platform, but I love making it. And this is my Pinterest. Oh, I got 2 followers too. Oh my god, I'm happy. This is my content, and yeah, this is like my editing for story Instagram. So if you wanna know how I do it, follow me. And yeah, that's me. Not looking exactly like what I draw, right? And this is my thread. I got nothing on it, but yeah. Ta-da! Oh my god, wait. Let me give a little love to myself. Next, we also have email. You can just click it, and here is the home button. So, alright! I don't know why it's coded here. If anyone know, please let me know. You already know about me and you already know my social media. I think it's time for you to follow me because we're going to go to the craft section. Which one? This or this? Let's do this. Ta-da! Yay! Let's create. Well, what do you have? Do you have a clay, paper clips, beads, or others than that? I'm going to put a link on this letter so you can see what creation you can do with when you have one of these. And then let's make blah blah blah. I should put picture here, but we're starting, so it's okay. We cannot make something perfect, but we can make something better, obviously. So we're going to make it better time by time, day by day. So follow me with this journey. Alright, next. I don't want to just type this. I want to go from these icons because I love this one so much. Oh my god. Alright, now let's go to my writing. Ta-da! Welcome to Eudora's Writing, 100% by Eudora, a human. Please get a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy. And if you scroll down, you will find this book, and you will find some items here. This is for written moment, this is for poem, this is for short story, and this is for thought review because I watch a lot and I also sometimes overthink. So I think like, alright, let's put some of my opinion here and we're going to do that later. Yeah, but I'm going to start digitalize some of my writing, so wait for it, alright? This is a book but also a place to escape. You know, sometimes the best place to get out of this world is just writing or reading. Let's go to home again, and now let's do project. This is my project. Ta-da! Give applause, yay! Project, as I refuse to doom scrolling. Oh god, I'm so tired of doom scrolling, you know. I'm going to put any of my editing project here. So yeah, it's still like have one this and then coming soon. Let me know if you want anything, you know, like maybe how I built this or something. This is the project that I'm working on. This is like story editing inspo. You can click on it and it will guide you to my page where I post this. Look at that, this is like my DIY, and then it was like 2 days before Valentine as a small gift to give my friend because I appreciate them so much in my life. And then my friend got me this and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute, let me post it. That's it for today. Don't forget to connect with me and I would really love to be your partner, or maybe like, you know, your new small favorite YouTuber. That seems, oh my god, that seems so sweet. And let me know if you have any requests, or maybe like, how do I make this font? I mean, like, these are handmade, all of this except the pics. I got it from Canva and on the internet, and I drew it by myself. I have a proof if you want. Because I mean, like, look at that, it's not perfect. Look. Oh my goodness, oh my god, the color. Yeah, but you know, imperfection is the thing that makes one perfect. Oh my god, how long have I been yapping? So I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope it helps you for a little bit. And I guess I will see you next time.